Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in commerce, that is public enterprise, public utility and public private partnership. Okay? Public enterprise, public utilities and public private partnership. In this video we will talk about meaning and features of public enterprise. Okay? So let's start with the meaning of public enterprises. Okay. So meaning all industrial and commercial undertakings owned, managed and controlled by the government are called public enterprises or public undertakings, public sector undertakings. Okay, these enterprises are known collectively as the public sector. So here owned, managed and controlled. Three things. By public, by government. So owned means there can be two possibilities by business enterprise, either owned by the government or by the private industry. Owned, either either owned by government or owned by private industries, private individuals, sorry. So in public enterprises ownership remains in the government, owned by government and managed by government and controlled by government. Okay, here one more thing is to be understand that what is meant by government, क्योंकि owned, managed and controlled by government, so what is meaning of government? So here government means either it may be a central government or state government or combination of both central as well as state government. Okay, central as well as state government. Central and controlled and managed by government means either state government or central government or combination of both state and central government, owned, controlled and management. These enterprises are called public enterprises. So in short, public enterprises are the enterprises which are owned, managed and controlled by the central government, state government or combination of the central and state government. Okay, the main purpose basically public enterprises to provide social welfare. They do not have any profit motive. They do not have any profit motive. Okay, now let's move on the features of public enterprise. Characteristics or features of a public enterprise. A careful analysis of above definition reveals the following characteristics of public enterprise. Okay, first one is state ownership. First one is state ownership. A public enterprise is wholly owned by central government or state governments or local authority jointly owned by two or more of them. In case enterprise is owned by the government and private sector, the state must have at least 51% share in ownership. So the first feature we already talked about in the meaning of the public enterprise, that state ownership means that the enterprise owned by state government, central government and or combination of both central as well as state government. Okay, And one more thing which we did not talk with meaning, that if there is a combination of public and private, if there is a combination of public and private, then public enterprises only when at least 51% of the share which should be held by the central government, either central government or state government, or combination of both central as well as state government. Okay, so state ownership means central government control or state government or combination of both. In case of public and private combination, 51%, not less than 51% holding share either by the central government or by the state government or combination of central as well as state government. Okay, now second point is state control. Second point is state control. The ultimate control of public enterprise lies with the government, which appoints its board of director and chief executive. Okay, so central government will be the government or in the hands, so control will be the government or in the hands of chief executive officer or by the board of directors appointed by the government. So state control means control will be the government or in the hands of chief executive officer or by the or board of directors appointed by the government. Okay, next one is government financing. Next one is government financing. The whole or major portion of the capital of a public enterprise is provided by the government. So yes, in this type of enterprise or public enterprise, the contribution of capital is mostly by the government, major part by the government, the capital which is contributed by the central, state or combination of central and state government. Okay, so government financing, yes, major portion of capital contributed by the central government or state government or combination of both central as well as state government. Okay, next point is service motive. The primary aim of the public enterprise is render service to the society at large. It may have even incur losses for this purpose. However, the public enterprise are expected to generate surplus in course of time. So the main purpose of public enterprises is to provide social service and not to earn profit. So all public enterprises are works for public welfare. They do not have any purpose of earning profit. Okay, and last one is public accountability. Public enterprises are financed out of public money, therefore they are accountable for their result to elected representative of publics. So public accountability means accountability here. Accountability means answerable. Basically public enterprise are financed by the public money. Public enterprises financed by the public money. That's why these enterprises are accountable for पब्लिक या आंसरेबल फॉर पब्लिक. ओके, पब्लिक अकाउंटेबिलिटी.